Hey, welcome back to another episode of Tech Talk for You, where today we're going to be talking about robot vacuum cleaners from the future. Stay tuned.
Shut up and sit down.
Okay, so robots and vacuums. Who doesn't like that combination? It's almost as good as peanut butter and chocolate, right? Just kidding. I used to watch The Jetsons, and I loved Rosie the Robot. Always dreamed of having my very own robot at some point. Now I have two, and they're my best friends in the whole wide world. Oh my god. Just kidding. They clean my house, and they do a really good job of it. Who doesn't like that? Everybody wishes there were robots around to clean their house. Both of them are 600 series Roombas. I'm going to roll in some footage right now to show you just how easy it is to maintain and repair them. Recently I had to replace the roller basket, the brush roller basket on my earlier model 600, and it was a snap, just a few screws, and you just change out the whole unit. It came with brand new roller and brush. It was ready to go. I love the things. We can set them to vacuum when we're not at home, and they'll take care of cleaning up after our cat. And when we come home, the floors are clean. You really, when you have these guys running, as long as you have the walls up to kind of contain them, you really don't have to vacuum with a conventional vacuum cleaner nearly as often as you used to. I'm telling you, man, if you guys want to save some time and energy and effort and use that to do something else with your life, get yourselves a robot vacuum. I don't care what brand you get. I have personal experience with the iRobot Roombas, and I love them. I think my sister has a Nido version, and she loves hers. They're all pretty similar. So the iRobots have been around for longer, but I don't know that that necessarily means anything. Typically, when you see competitors come into the marketplace, they will improve upon areas that are deficient in their competition. I mean, that's how they grow, right? So go out and get a robot vacuum and save yourself some time and energy. And here's another tip for you. Get them refurbished. Why not? You're going to save even more money. That's how we bought both of ours. We got them refurbished. I've never looked back. They're super easy to use, super easy to maintain. And like I said, if you're watching the footage that I'm rolling, you're going to see exactly how easy to change the parts on them. So, come back for our next episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found absolutely anything useful in this video. I would sure appreciate it. And until next time, have fun out there. See ya.